He's rummaging around in his toy box. He actually does this a lot. It's really funny. I don't know if you can see his little shadow in there. I don't know if this is a precursor to him working under a truck with Grandpa in the future. It's cute to watch. Robbie? Where are you? There you are. Hello. Can you wave hello? Yeah, we're working on that.